Welcome, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making shrimp scampi with linguine, and this is what I'll be using. I have some shrimp. These are the frozen ones. I just thawed them out, rinsed them off. I have some lemon zest. I have a half lemon, olive oil, some dried parsley. I have some crushed garlic, some butter, pepper, salt, red pepper flakes. In here I have the linguine pasta. Here I have my water boiling. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add in my pasta. And it'll cook down into the pot. I just shake it loose because I don't want any of it to stick. And I'm going to cook this for 8 or 9 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for 9 minutes. Okay, oops, making a mess. It's been cloudy all day. It's a Saturday. Acting like it was going to rain. However, it didn't, but I just stayed inside most of the day. Let me put it on 9. In this pan, I'm going to add, excuse me, some olive oil and butter, of course. Gonna melt that down. Gonna need some more butter. Lots of butter. Adding in my garlic. Toss that around for a few. Butter and garlic always smell delicious together. I'm going to add in my shrimp. Oops. Some salt. Be careful with your salt. Pepper. And we're going to add some red pepper flakes. Spice it up just a tiny bit. So I'll let that go for a few more minutes. Just a few. I'll drain my pasta. I'm going to add some into Of course, my pot is turned off. Forgot to say that. After your shrimp is done, and that's when it turns pink. Trying to show you one. Add a little bit more. Mm-hmm. Smells delicious. I'm going to add some lemon zest. I'm making a mess. And some dried parsley. And we're going to squeeze some lemon juice. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to plate this up. There you have it. Shrimp linguine. I'm sorry, shrimp scampi with linguine pasta. Thanks for joining me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. Don't forget to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. That's it, and that's all. Later.